What's going on, guys? Just wanted to give you a quick sneak peek into Go2Lister if you're interested in checking out this software and really show you what it has to offer, what we've done to innovate listing softwares for booksellers specifically. And yeah, let's dive into this. So you set up an account. It's pretty easy. You can set up an account with Google. You can set up an account. Just click below, 7-day free trial. You'll see it's pretty easy to set up an account. Then you integrate your Amazon account. After that, you're going to see the option to create a batch. So click on create a batch and enter this information here. Once you're done with that, I'll show you inside of a batch and I'll show you really how cool this is. So my personal favorite thing about this software right now is how fast it was, which wasn't my priority to make it this fast, but check out how freakishly fast this is. So you always have to select a source. You always have to select a buy cost. That way you can track your inventory and you can know exactly where you got it, how much you paid for it. And in the future, we're going to have exact profit analytics for you. So that's coming soon. So once you do that, let's just pretend you're scanning here. I don't have actual books with me because I'm here in Colombia. But all you do is, look how fast this is. You can scan before Amazon actually tells you what book it is. So as you can see, like this is just 1, 2, 3, 4, and it's asking me for my Dymo to connect. Currently, this is only compatible with Dymos. If you guys have a preferred printer, reach out to me on social media at Roamer the Roamer or our support below, Go2Lister, whatever our support email is below, support@go2lister.com. And yeah, so that's probably my favorite part about this software, which it's freakishly fast. It's using a queuing technology. So like it literally only does the bare minimum for the first scan. And then if I had my printer here, it would like be printing after the fact. So you can scan like 5 books super fast, label them. Anyway, it can really speed up your workflow. But number 2, really the reason why I created this software was to help you price smarter initially. So let me open an example of a book real quick. So as you see here, it says there are 0 or few FBA offers competing on this listing. Now, the good thing about this notification is it's actually notifying you that, hey, you're probably priced too low. And just so you know, our repricing software has intelligent pricing technology. So we are going to price at the highest price that we think we can. So you're going to make more profit on every book, especially on books like these. But even our software isn't perfect, and no software is perfect when it comes to this. So we're actually going to highlight this purple for you, and we're going to put there are 0 or few FBA offers on the listing. Consider pricing higher. Okay, and so if this rank is low, then it's really exciting. So this is 68,000, which is really good for books. So let's go ahead and open this up. So as you can see here, if we go to the used offers, there's currently only 3 used offers at $17.97. And for this book, I'm not seeing any used offers. I apologize. This is all in Spanish because I'm in Colombia and my goal is to learn Spanish. So I turn my computer screen language into Spanish. But as you can see, there's no prime offers here. There's no used. And in this case, the new prime offer is $17.99. So we wouldn't want to go above that, but we could probably go at like, we should probably just match the price, $17.97. But here's an example of a book where you could price a lot higher. So currently the low price is $5.40 plus $3.99 shipping. But our software is going to bring this to your attention and we're going to price it 20% higher, automatically done for you. But if you choose, I recommend opening this up or having your team open it up and just look at what they could price it for. So this is going brand new for $30, but I bet you could sell it used for $20, $25. You guys can get an extra $10 in profit just by knowing that there's no competition. There's no competition here, and other softwares aren't going to tell you this information. Our software automatically does it for you, and this is going to make our users hundreds and hundreds of dollars every month by having that competitive advantage of pricing up when there are no FBA offers. And our software also is going to price up if the rank's low. So I'll jump into our pricing triggers here, our pricing rules. As you can see, we have these. Shout out Scout IQ. This is heavily influenced by Scout IQ in the app before them. But as you can see, if the demand has very low rank, so the demand is very high. So if the book has very low sales rank, meaning it sells often, we're going to try and price the book at FBA offer 4 and then slowly go down from there. If FBA offer 4 is not available, we're going to FBA offer 3, blah, blah, blah. If you're falling asleep now when I'm talking about FBA slots and all this, all I'm trying to say is we're going to make you more money by pricing your books higher because we know they can sell for more, and Amazon doesn't want you to sell your books for more because Amazon's consumer centric and they're always trying to make the consumer happy, which is making them pay less for books. So they don't give us all the information we need. And with our software, we're trying our best to give you the information. We're automatically pricing your books higher. And in addition, we're also pointing out books that we think you could price higher. So these are our default intelligent pricing triggers, as you can see here. And you can customize these if you want to. Actually, no, you can't, not yet, because we did a pretty good job making the smart pricing triggers. But if you would rather just be boring and match buy box and lose money like all the other pricing softwares out there do, then just match buy box. Maybe you want to just match buy box. Maybe, I don't know. I don't know why you would do that, but we added smart pricing for a reason. Anything over 1 million rank, you're going to want to match buy box because it doesn't sell that fast. But guys, if the book sells fast, go ahead and cash out. You worked hard to get the book. You did a lot of work to find the book, to scan it, to put it in a box, pack the box, lift up the box. You might as well get as much profit as possible for those books. So yes, our software is more expensive than the competitors, but it's more expensive for a reason. We're making you more money. And if you list hundreds of books a month, we're going to make you hundreds of dollars more profit by helping you price strategically on day one. We're not a repricer, but we help you price smart from day one, and we draw attention to books that you should be pricing higher with that cool little purple thingy that I was showing you. So if you're interested in checking out this software, click the sign up below. 7-day free trial, risk-free. And yeah, that's it, guys. Much love, and see you inside.